To fix a Samsung front-load washer that won't drain, it's essential to identify and address the underlying issue. Common causes of drainage problems include incorrect installation, blockages in the drain hose, poor leveling of the appliance, and a clogged pump filter. To resolve the issue, start by assessing the drain hose, ensuring it is inserted into the standpipe correctly, between 6 and 8 inches, and that it is securely attached without being airtight. The hose should not be clogged, kinked, or squashed, and its height should be between 18 and 96 inches. Next, level the appliance by adjusting the leveling feet at each corner, turning them clockwise to raise and counterclockwise to lower, until the washer is stable and doesn't rock while spinning. Additionally, clean the pump filter, located at the bottom of the front panel, by turning it counterclockwise to remove it, then cleaning and rinsing it thoroughly before reinstalling it. Be prepared for residual water to flow out when removing the filter. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the drainage issue with your Samsung front-load washer.